These are the three main reasons to why you are still not a profitable trader. And it's very simple. That very first reason is you. You are the reason to why you are still in the same situation months ago, years ago. Whatever the case is, you are the reason to why you are still in the same exact position today. And let's keep it real. We all want trading to work out. We all want to be rich. We all want to be financially free. But what are you doing on a daily basis to get yourself to that position? What are you doing every single day instead of you laying down, instead of you playing games, instead of you doing whatever the case is? What are you doing to be better the following day? If you telling me right now that you don't do nothing to be better as a trader the following day, then maybe trading is not for you. Let's keep it real. If you're not putting in the time, you're not putting in the work to become better 1% each day, you don't need to be the best the next day, but you need to be better than what you were yesterday. If you're not doing any of that, then maybe trading, you should just stop trading, right? Because at the end of the day, if we keep showing up to the markets and we feel like the market owes us something, we feel that the market needs to make our setups hit, that is not the case, right? The only way you could be able to consistently win on your setups, consistently make profits, is if you put in the work and you back test your strategy, you back test your loss, you back test your wins, you back test every day to see if there's anything that you could do better. Because I promise you, there's one thing that you could do better when you go back and you look at your trades. So again, that very first reason, y'all need to hear this very closely. It's all within you. If you have bad habits outside of trading, what makes you think you won't bring that bad habits into trading, right? So whatever bad habits you have, you need to identify it and you need to start work on it today, because that's the only way you're going to start performing in the markets, okay? So again, if you are still sitting here watching this video and you know for a fact that you had such a rough week or you weren't able to be profitable this week, you need to get up right now, go to your computer, pull up your charts, and backtest your strategy, backtest whatever pairs you trade, backtest whatever strategy you trade, and literally backtest for 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes. Just give yourself 30 minutes, because that 30 minutes could really change how you start trading if you consistently keep doing this over and over and over again. So stop being lazy, stop being too comfortable. It's not okay to keep losing. It's not okay to keep blowing money on challenges. It's not okay at all. You need to get up and get on your feet, get on your computer, and figure out what is the reason to why you are still in the same situation. And I promise you, when you show up every single day when the market's not open and you just backtest your strategy and you backtest and you backtest and you get so confident that you're going to keep seeing these setups over and over, and you're not gonna ever doubt yourself to be able to enter that trade. So get up, okay? Stop wasting any more time, because you already wasted so much time, and go to the charts and start putting in the work. When you put in the work, when you're not actually live trading, that's what's really going to pay off. So that is the first reason. The second reason is you are setting unrealistic goals. You are seeing all these traders buying supercars, buying mansions, having so much money, doing this, doing that, and you want it so bad that you just want to be in their position today. And that is not the reason and the whole point of trading. That is just not what trading is all about. Trading is going to get you to become financially free, but at the end of the day, it's a skill set. It's a skill set that you would really want to learn instead of just trying to hit that jackpot in one day. So if you have unrealistic goals, okay, I don't know whatever your goals are, but if you have unrealistic goals, you need to sit down, reevaluate every goal that you have, and start making goals that you could actually achieve. If you are new to trading or you've been trading for a while and you never seen profits or being profitable whatsoever, sit down and write down small goals. You could have a goal of, I want to make $50 this week, I want to make $100 this week, or I don't even put money, I just want to be a better trader this week. That's really where your mindset should be at. Your mindset should not be about how much money you can make, what you could buy next year, what you could buy next month, what you could buy tomorrow. Your mindset should be, what could I do today so that I could perform better tomorrow? What could I do today so that I could perform better the next trading week? What could you do today to not only make you become a better trader, but make you become a better you? So give yourself realistic goals. If you don't know what your goals are, then I don't know why you are trading. Because if you don't have a why, then what's the point of showing up? What's the point of being here? What's the point of trying to learn how to trade when you don't even have a reason to why you are trading? Okay, and if your reason is to be rich, is to buy a mansion, to buy supercars, all that, then your goals is just out of place. Your goal should be becoming that better trader. Okay, so sit back, pull out a note, paper, whatever it is, start writing small goals, weekly goals that you know you could achieve. And then from there, you're just going to keep working yourself up, and then you're going to keep building that confidence. You're going to put yourself in momentum to continue to keep hitting whatever goals you have set for yourself. Okay, so that is the second reason to why you are still not profitable. And last but not least, the third reason, it's really simple. It's you stop being a student to the game. You are too complacent with whatever you are using to trade, whatever strategy you use. And even though you are going through a hard time, you feel like your strategy is the best. You feel like you are invincible in the market and that you're going to keep using the same strategy over and over again. And that's not the case. The market is always changing. And of course, changing your strategy all the time is not a good thing, because you're going to go back to learning how the new strategy works. But you need to understand that if something is not working for you, try to see what you could do better so that you could avoid taking the losses. You can actually make profits. You could stop blowing these accounts, right? Whatever their case is, you need to look back at your strategy and be willing to keep learning, because once you stop learning and trading, I promise you the market's going to humble you to the point where you're gonna have to learn a new strategy. So if you feel like you have the best strategy, that's good for you. But if you know that if you know that you have been going through a tough time in trading, then look back and evaluate your strategy and see what you could change. What could I critique? What could I add into the strategy to make it better? Because at the end of the day, this market always change, and in order for you to keep up with the markets, you need to consistently learn and adapt to it. So stay a student to the game. Never feel like you are the best trader or you have the best strategy, because at the end of the day, the market could really just humble you super quick. So again, that is all I have for this video. I hope this video helps out anyone that are still not profitable or are struggling through trading. And hopefully you could reflect on this video and actually go back and reflect it onto yourself and start taking this serious, because trading is not fun and game. It's not a hobby. If you want to become a day trader, you need to put in the work, and you need to understand how much sacrifice it's going to take for you to get to that next level. So again, that's all I have for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.